back, I'll be showing you how to make hair oil that you can apply for new hair growth on bald patches. So stay tuned if you want to know how to grow your hairlines and bald patches. So to make this oil, I'll be making use of curry leaves. Curry leaves are packed with essential nutrients like protein, iron, calcium, and vitamins like vitamin B and C, which will help to nourish the scalp, strengthen the hair roots, and prevent hair loss. So when I'm done removing the curry leaves from the stem, I will set aside. I'll be making use of onion. Onion is rich in sulfur, which will help to nourish the hair follicles, minimize hair breakage. It also helps to improve hair growth. So I'm going to peel the onion, then set aside. I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed. So I'll add the fenugreek seed into the blender and blend. Fenugreek seed will help to prevent hair loss. It will moisturize the scalp and help to control hair fall. I'll also add the curry leaves, then blend. So I'm going to cut the onion. You can choose to cut the onion into smaller pieces or grate it if you don't want to blend it. So I'm going to add the onion and blend. So I will set aside all the blended ingredients. So I'm going to be combining 2 oil. I'll be using grapeseed oil and coconut oil. So I'm going to add oil, add enough oil to cover the blended ingredients. So when I've added the coconut oil, I'll mix to combine. I'm going to transfer this into a pot. Then I'll be cooking this on a low heat. And you need to stir from time to time. So when you notice that the ingredient has darkened in color and the oil has changed color, turn off the heat and allow to cool. I'm going to sieve with a chiffon cloth. Finally, the oil is ready. You can store this oil in a container and use whenever you want. So to tone down the smell of onion, I'll be adding lavender oil. I'll be adding about 8 drops of lavender oil. Then I will shake to mix properly. You can use this oil at least 3 times a week for effective results. Apply this oil to your hairlines, bald patches, and massage properly to increase circulation to the scalp. This oil contains some nutrients like sulfur, which will help to promote collagen production, support thick hair, and prevent hair loss. You can apply this and leave overnight, then you can wash your hair the next day. And this oil is very effective to thicken your hair, stop hair loss, improve hair growth. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.